Buick lately exposed its 2024 Buick Repetition GX wearing the brand's new Tri-Shield logo design. The small SUV is ready to elevate the sector and also brings with it the Avenir name to increase the lineup's deluxe. New styling likewise introduces the brand new face of Buick to the United States and Canada. The 2024 Buick Repetition GX intends to impress as a premium tiny SUV with a new exterior look and a tech-centered interior. In a current news release, Bob Boniface, the supervisor of International Buick Style, said the brand new Encore GX provides a smooth, stylish, sophisticated visibility. It's naturally practical, yet the new outside layout produces an extra stylish as well as modern-day identity that is unique in today's tiny SUV segment. The brand new outside of the Encore GX sees a brand new front fascia design with a forward-leaning front that displays the new body-mounted Tri-Shield badge. Signature winged LED headlamps highlight the new modern-day grille. At the back, the brand new back side includes the brand new Buick logo and typography centered on the tailgate, while new LED tail lights are standard on both ST and Avenir trims. On the within, the updated interior of the freshened Buick Repetition GX is centered around user-friendly technology as well as the brand new Buick Virtual Cabin System, VCS. VCS functions two high-definition screens under one sheet of glass, for a total amount of 19 diagonal inches and 11-inch angled infotainment system as well as a configurable 8-inch angled driver collection display. Both are tilted toward the chauffeur for user-friendly control. Under the hood, the 2024 Repetition GX comes standard with a 1.2-liter turbocharged engine generating 137 horsepower and also 152 pounds-to-foot of torque. You can additionally select the available 1.3-liter turbocharged engine that produces 155 horsepower and also 174 pounds-to-foot of torque. The engines supply better responsiveness as well as a more appealing drive for customers compared to the old naturally aspirated engine. Front-wheel drive models come paired with a CVT, while readily available AWD models are coupled with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Buick estimates forward versions will certainly get a mixed fuel economic situation of 30 miles per gallon, while AWD models will supply around 27 miles per gallon integrated. Regarding typical safety is worried, the 2024 Buick Encore GX features the Buick Motorist Confidence Plan, which has active security functions such as automated emergency braking, lane maintain aid with lane separation caution, IntelliBeam vehicle high beams, onward collision alert, front pedestrian braking, and also a complying with distance indicator. Extra attributes are available via safety and security and also modern technology packages.